All right, let's take a look at 4.2, guys. Your homework questions here. I'll do a few spattering questions so you know what you're doing. Okay, factor completely. A is pretty easy. It's got an A value of 1. So we look for numbers that multiply to negative 20 and add to 1. So factors of negative 20 that would fit this would be what? 5 and negative 4? Okay, so A, that's pretty easy. We're going to go two binomials. X is our variable. And then simply plus 5 minus 4, done. I did a question here just recently in the lesson like this, a 1/4. So let me do that one again. So what you could do is you could factor a 1/4 out of this expression. So we talked about this already, but if you divide by a fraction, you make all the numbers bigger. So if you take 1/4 out as a greatest common factor here, believe it or not, you can divide a quarter out of every number. And so 1/4 divided by 1/4 is just 1, so that turns into x squared. 2 divided by 1/4 is the same as 2 times 4 over 1, which is 8x. And 3 divided by 1/4 is the same as 3 times 4 over 1, which is 12. Correct. So that gets rid of our fraction, and it's easier to deal with this probably. So go ahead and factor this. I'm looking for two binomials, x and x. Factors of 12 that add to 8 would be 6 and 2. Done deal for C. Yeah, baby. Okay, number 2, I would factor out a 2, or letter D, I should say. So if we take a 2 out, now we simplify that a bit. And I'm telling you, this is like baby stuff here. Super easy for you guys. X and X. What do you think? What are the numbers I'm looking for here? 3 and 3. Baby stuff. Baby stuff. You guys are awesome.
What about, are you doing all 4?
No. Well, no. I guess I didn't do B. No, I'm not doing B. You can do B. Okay. Okay, what about 4? Okay, I hope you wrote that down, because it's going bye-bye. See ya. Did you just call me a monster? Did you say you monster? Wow, I think you have to redefine your definition of monster.
Thank you for doing
Here, I'm doing your homework right now. Okay. Not a monster, yeah. To the office. I'm a monster. I'm doing your homework. And I'm recording this and putting it on the World Wide Web for anyone to access anytime. And I'm a monster. Yes. Scissors?
Yeah.
What do you want scissors for?
Well, I can't get my eraser.
Is she a danger? I just want to know. Should I lend this to? Don't hit yourself. Don't cut yourself. Okay. 4. 4A. The monster is wanting to speak. Quiet. 4A. Difference of squares. Okay. This is a perfect square. This is a perfect square. This is a difference. Two binomials. One's going to be plus, one's going to be minus. I mean, you can do that right away if you want. What's the square root of 4y squared? 2y. 2y. What's the square root of 9x squared? 3x. 3x. Done deal. C. I need B. You want B? Okay, I'll do C and then I'll maybe do D. C. Okay. You guys are pretty, I'm telling you. No, I don't want C. I want B. I'm B. I'm doing your homework for you. Gee whiz, give me a break here. No, don't do C. Can you do B? Oh, B. How about I just like go sit down and you guys do your homework? Okay. C. I'm doing C because fractions are scary, right? Is this a difference of squares? Yes, it is. What is the square root of 1/4 s squared? 1/2 s. 1/2 s. Now, hey, here's a question for you. Could you write it like this? S over 2?
Yes.
Yeah, you could if you want. Doesn't matter. If you want, that's okay. 1 over 2s is the same as s over 2. Plus, minus. Does it look like a 5? There's no hat on it. It's an S. Now that looks like a 5. Okay.
It's S over 2?
It's S. What?
I'm saying mine. I was like,
Yeah, oh yeah. Oh, S over 2. 3 over 5t. Also, you could write this as 3t over 5 if you want. If you want. Nobody wants to do that, but you can. That's the same. Math is great, right?
I'm not mathing.
I think I stole somebody's mug.
This is not math.
T. Okay, it's not me.
Math is just chewing.
All right, let's do. Okay, let's do D. Okay, I'm gonna do D for you now. D. This is decimals. Okay. Again, is this a perfect square?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. What is the square root of 0.16? 0.4, and then the square root of t squared is t. Yes.
What is this question? 0.16?
And the square root of 16 is just 4.
I heard that.
So 4s goes here, and minus 4s goes there. Done deal. All right, any questions about that? Hold on. Really? Really? Hold on. Like, you're so grateful, you guys. I just feel so loved. Thank you, Mr. MathWell. You're the best. No? Hold on. Wait, you scroll down. I love my job. I love my job. I love my job. I love my job. Okay. I do.
Wait, can you do 2A?
No.
Can you do the rest of the assignment?
Can I do all of your assignment for you?
No. It's like
How about I do all of this assignment 32 times, put each of your names on it, and hand it in myself?
Yes.
I'd be fine with that. But can you do 2A because it has...
Yeah, I can. Can you? I can do 2A. Can you do 2A? That's the question.
No, I can't. Because it's 3y squared plus 4.
All right, guys. 5A. So we did a question just like this, 5A. I would suggest that you should write this out on the side as well. Let W, or what, I don't know, what kind of variable you want? S? Okay, let S equal X plus 2. It looks like a 5. K. K.
That's even worse.
How is that worse? It's not worse. You see it, I can't draw a K, but you see a K a lot in calculus. So K is good. So let K equal X plus 2. Okay, look at this. A is K squared now, minus K, minus 42. Isn't that easy to factor now? Yes, it is. The answer is yes. K, K. What are my numbers here?
1 and 42, so
Minus 7 plus 6.
Yes.
Yes, very good.
good job, Eric.
So now let's resubstitute X plus 2 minus 7 and X plus 2 plus 6. This becomes X minus 5 and X plus 8. Okay. Did you have a question before? I didn't hear it. Yeah. No. Okay. Okay, everyone watch this. B is a little bit more involved, isn't it? Let's take a look at B. I have like a trinomial here that I want to replace because this is like 6, let's use W again. 6W squared plus W minus 1. So let W equal X squared minus 4X plus 4. Now this might be a little bit of a longer question, I'm not sure. But I can rewrite this now as 6W squared plus W minus 1. I don't know if I'm going too fast for you on this, but hey, hopefully you're catching on. I'll pause here. So this can be factored, and this would be like your question, okay? This is the same kind of thing. So you've got options for 6W squared. That could be 3W and 2W, or 6W and 1W. Usually start with the factors that are closer to one another. It just so happens that those are usually the ones that work. And then here we got a 1 and a 1. Ooh, to get 1. Yeah. 3 and 2 can give us 1. 3 and 2, we can get 1. So let's go plus 3w and minus 2w, it'll give us plus 1. So you see that?
Yeah.
That's very similar to the question you asked earlier. So now we substitute. Ooh, we got a big substitution here. X squared minus 4x plus 4 minus 1. And I'm running out of room, but this is 2 times x squared minus 4x plus 4 plus 1. I'll move over to this side. So if I expand this out, gather like terms, that's 3x squared minus 12x plus 12 minus 1 times, the second one is 2x squared minus 8x plus 4 plus 1. Which is, yes, this is going to be a little bit of a longer one, all right. This is going to be 3x squared minus 12x plus 11 times 2x squared minus 8x plus 5. Okay, so now, unfortunately, we have to try to factor each of these. So this is like a question within a question. It's like one of those Kinder eggs, except the surprise is not very good inside. It's a little bit more work, is what the surprise is. Surprise! It's like those nesting dolls. Whoa, what did I just do?
Factor out.
How did I do that? What did I just do there? Pen properties? Nope, that wasn't it. Okay, I don't know what I want. What did I do? I know I can get a tag. Tag. Oh my goodness. No. Okay, sorry. What?
No, 2 times 4 plus 1, and then you get 5.
Uh-oh, did I miss something in the second one?
9.
Wait, what, did I miss something? 2, 8. Oh, this should be 8. This should be 8, guys. So this is 9.
Where are we?
So this is the first half, and then this is the second half.
Are you sure about
Right? So 3, 4, 12, yeah. 2, 8, 8, yeah. Okay. Okay, so what I'm saying here, is that we're going to try to do this. Factor each of these again. So can we do it? Let's see. I'm going to try 3x and x. 11 and 1, okay. Where does the 11 go and where does the 1 go? Something's wrong here, guys.
They're both negative. Negative 11 and negative 8.
Okay, okay. So the reason why we're struggling with this here, look at this. There's only limited number of combinations here. This is, I don't think this is factorable. So I don't think we can break it down any further, but we try. So can't do that. Can we do this one? 2x and x. 3, 2, 8, 9, 1, 3, and 3, 6.
Yeah, it's.
What is that? 8 and 3? No, can't do that. 6 and 3. Okay, so it looks like these can't be factored any further. So this looks like your final answer then. All right, so you got to try to factor those, but if you can't, then
A lot of numbers.
that's that. All right.
No, I kind of wish math was just like stay off of it and you could just do it. So that would take over your life.
Okay, guess what? 7's easy. 7's easy. Ready? Solve. This is already factored. What are the solutions? X equals?
Negative.
Why are we doing so many questions?
Why are we doing so many questions? Because you need practice.
No.
Why do you practice football every day?
Sorry.
Yeah, see? Catching on. You do not have to expand it. It's already in factored form. That's what you're going for. You want factored form. So these are already in factored form. Okay. Does everyone understand A?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Huh? Oh, okay.
What? Yeah.
X equals negative.
All right, so what you want to do is let each factor equal 0, right? And solve. So x equals 2, x equals negative 1/2 for B. What about D? Let's do D. Okay, if I let x equal 0, what does x equal?
0.
Yep. If I let x plus 5 equal 0, what does x equal? There's your answers. 0 and negative 5. Okay, let me show you a bit of a shortcut, because a lot of you guys are ready for a little shortcut here. If you let each of these factors equal 0 separately, there's an easy way to do this. Watch this, I'll do it the long way. It's 3x equals negative 1 divided by 3, x equals negative 1/3. Watch what you do here, guys, watch. You switch this sign, and you take this number divided by this number. Done. Once again, in order to get this solution, no singing please. Negative 1/3 is the solution for this. Likewise, with this one, positive 4 divided by 5 is the answer. What? I'll do it the long way. Here's the long way. 5x equals 4 divided by 5, both sides, you get x equals positive 4/5. So positive 4/5.
That's crazy.
Okay? There you go. And that's where they come from. So there's your solution, another solution. One more, I'll do this one more with you. If there's 3 factors, then obviously you have to consider what the solutions could be from each factor. But 2 has no variable, so 2 will never be equal to 0, no matter what x is. So there's no solution from this factor, okay? So you just focus on this factor and this one. So for f, I'll do that in black here. So for f, then x equals what? Positive 4, or positive 4/1, right? X equals 4. X equals, ooh, careful, because the x is in the second spot. So we'll have to, yeah, gotta be careful here. This one, what? 7/2? Okay, this one, the shortcut doesn't work so well if the x is not first. If the x is second, we got a little bit of, okay? So let's do this the long way. 7 minus 2x equals 0. 7 equals 2x. X equals 7 divided by 2. That's correct. So the way the shortcut would work here is, again, you look away from the x term and you would go opposite sign, negative 7 divided by negative 2. That's how you would do that, but shortcut is not as easy that way. Okay, keep working on your own homework assignment now for a while. Go. So a little tip for number 10, when you get to number 10, you cannot factor like this when you don't have a 0 or solve. You can't solve when you don't have a 0 here. So simply, you need to move your constant or whatever all over to the same side as the others. So it's going to be x squared minus x minus 42 on the right side, and that'll equal 0, you see? Now you go ahead. So just one little step. Make sure that you get everything over to the same side before you start. Shh. Okay? So these are all mixed up now. You have to get everything over to the same side. B looks like this. 0 equals, now I would bring everything over to the right side. And then factor from there. Okay?